Marching right, left. Try to keep those feet nice and light. Right, left. Right, left, right, left. Anytime it feels too much, leave the arms out and make the moves smaller. If you want to make it hard, lift those knees a little bit higher. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me, please. It'll be easier for you. So we're going to take that to half time with a little bit of a tap. So tap, tap. And again. Well done. Back to normal marching. Well done. And that tap for tap. The arms out to the side, little bicep curls. So as I said at the beginning, if it's too much, please leave out the arms, do what feels right. Normal side marching, just let the arms swing comfortably, shoulders relaxed, head lifted, really lengthen the back of the neck. Those half-time toe taps, side arms. March on the spot, arms in front this time. Try and touch the shoulders, reach away about shoulder height. If that doesn't work for you, do what feels right, leave the arms out. You've got to work at your own level. If you want to make it harder, you could take the arms up as well. I'm going to take it somewhere in the middle. Ready for those half time with the side bicep arms. Are you ready? Well done. March, arms out in front. Or up if you prefer. Well done, just keep moving. More important you keep moving than follow me exactly. Well done. Just marching through, well done. Right, left, right, left. Bring the arms to the side. Bicep curls. We're going to take those toes up, heels in front. So stay facing me, it's a lot easier to see what I'm doing. So really trying to lift those toes up, flex the foot. Side step. Bicep curls to the side. Let's march on the spot, normal bicep curls, so here. Very, very little movement, very little work for the arms, but you're burning a few more calories. Just keeping it here, well done. 4, 3, 2. Let's pause it here. Hold it here, just bounce, bend the knees slightly. And we're going to start up on the left leg first, so this side out. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, marching. Left, right this time. Well done. Take the arms to the bicep curls. Well done. Working your brain slightly, but also changing the lead leg. Heels in front, lifting those toes. Well done. Keep moving. If you want to add a bit of attitude, you can. If you want a little bit Bit of a hop to make it harder, you can. Are you ready to march it through? March it right, left, right even. With a bicep curl. Let's give those arms a little bit of a movement in a moment. Let's pause first. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This side, yeah? If you haven't got it, try and pause and catch. If you don't get it at all, don't worry, not a problem. Arms to shoulders. I'm off the beat too. Think about pulling your belly in, hold it where you'd like it to be. Just be aware. Lift that head tall. If it hurts your shoulders, if it's too much, you can keep it lower maybe, or leave the arms out altogether. Now let's change those arms out to the side. Take it under, and up, and circle, and circle, other way, circle. Really feel those shoulders working. Way. Side steps, catch the beat. So this track is relatively fast, so maybe keep the steps a little bit smaller. Coming forward, 4, and back for 4. And again. Hold it here, arms out to the side. Two steps. Lifting those elbows up to the side, really feel it in the back of the arms if you lift them high enough. Hold it to singles. Bring it forward for 4. That's 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Again, make it as big or as small as you want. It's your body, your workout. And back. Hold it here. Are you ready to go 2 steps? 4, 3, 2 steps. If you can, take those elbows out to the side, lift them up. Really feel the back of the arms working, but you don't have to. Single here. The arms relax. Coming forward for 4, 3, 2. Make those steps as big or as small as you want. If you're struggling for breath, make it smaller or march on the spot. Do what feels right for you, for your body. Two steps. And back. Well done. Feels a little bit awkward, doesn't it? But it really is giving a little bit of work to the back of the arms, maybe working those back wings a bit. I hope so. Well done. Hold it here. Relax the arms. Coming forward, 4, 4, 3, 2, keep it moving and back, 4, 3, 2. Just catch the beat. 2 are forward, 2 back. It's a small movement to start with. Well done. Try and keep those feet nice and light. Be aware of your ankles, how they feel. You want to make it a bit bigger, you can. But do what feels right for you. Remember, you've got to make it right to the end of the workout each time. So it's better to take it gentler if you need to, so that you can get all the way through to the end of the workout. Let's tap and change sides, forward and back. So you should be starting with the left leg forward. Again, don't worry if you aren't, it really doesn't matter. You're moving, that's what's important. Burning a few calories. Well done. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to come forward for 4. 4, 3, 2 with a toe tap. Stay facing me, I'll turn to face you again. Always feels rude not to be facing you. Hold it here. March it a little bit wider. 2 in, 2 out. I'm turning again so you can see what I'm going to do in a moment. We're going to march on the spot, 3 and tap. So 3, 2, 1 and tap. Or knee lift if you can. So you have choices. You can tap the toe, you can knee lift, you can knee lift. I'm going to stay in the middle. Marching on the spot. In a moment we're going to put all of that together. Take it wide. Let's see if we can confuse our brains. I'm marching wide still. Let's take it in. 2 out, 2 in, 2 out, 2 in. You need space to march forward, so if you need to turn with me, please do. If not, stay facing me. So forward, 2, 3, 2 knee lifts, lift, lift, march it back. 2 wide, 2 in, 2 wide, 2 in. So forward, 2, 3, knee lift, back, 2, 3, 2 out, 2 in. In, 2, 1, 2, 3, knee lift. Well done. Last one. 2 out, 2 in. Hold it here. 2 wide, 2 in. Well done. Catch your breath. Side step. Well done. So beginning to bring the heart rate down a little bit now with a gentle movement. Foot across the body. Well done. Just keep it gentle. Those arms relaxed. Let's take it 2 steps. Catch your breath. If you're still feeling a little bit breathless now, please, please, please make it smaller. This is our cool down, getting us nice and relaxed. Have a breath. Well done. Single side steps. Keep it as small as you need to, make it comfortable. Almost on the spot now. Take that foot behind. Hold the right foot back, lift it down and lift. Push it down and lift. So feet are about hip width apart, you should be able to balance nicely. If your feet are too close together, you're going to struggle with this. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Let's hold that heel down, lean slightly forward. The front knee is above the ankle, adjust the foot. So it might need to be a little bit further away if you're not feeling a stretch in here in the calf muscle. If that's too tight, bring it here. Relax forward, relax your back, relax your upper body, lean on the leg if you need to. And just hold that stretch. Well done. Let's change sides. Taking the other leg back, lift and lower. Return to the other side. So again, my feet are fairly wide. They're wide enough to be balanced, lifting up onto the toe, pushing the heel down. Adjust that front leg so that as you straighten the leg, whether it be here or whether it be here, that you're getting that heel just to the floor. Let's hold that there. Well done. Feel the stretch in your calf. Relax the upper body. Well done.